Guys, welcome to our channel. I have an Audi A3 S line in white color. We got a dent on the quarter panel, as you can see, and there's a small hole, and then it's been ripped off, big cut here as well. And if we open the door as well, you got like slightly dented. So of course we have to pull it, and then we have to rebuild it, and then we start with the filler work, go back to metal, start the filler work, make it as best as possible on a good shape. So we just spend a little amount of filler, not a lot of filler. So that's why we have to go back to metal, we have to pull it, pin puller, welding it back on, grind it, and we try to adjust the line, 100% before we apply the filler, so we can use a little amount of filler, not a lot of filler. The reason is, if you put a lot of filler on the top of the dent, a few months later it start bubbling and then come off again. So that's why we don't put a lot of filler on the dents. We try to pull it as much as possible. And then we got a back bumper as well as being slightly cut here, so that's has to come off. Repair it outside, primer it outside, paint it outside, and then install it into the car. That's what we have for today. You've seen from the beginning to the end how we repaired it, and this is the gap. When you come to Al Makra Repair Center, that's what you're gonna get from the different angle as well. This is the bumper. The major damage was this side. So appreciate your watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you very much.